Hey, this will be a video chart on QSGIQ. I've done this one before, but I can't remember when the last time I did it was. But regardless, very nice day today. As you can see, looking down here at the volume, I'm not sure if there was good news or some sort of filing, but at the end of the day, who cares? The bottom line was big volume came in, the price reacted accordingly, and it really helped out the chart. And the chart's actually been looking very healthy, and it's finally made its move since basically mid-December here, and I'll go over that in just a second. But besides being a nice looking chart right now, it also makes a very good example. So just real quick, you can see that obviously it made its big move back here and then pulled back, and then lo and behold, look right where it pulled back to, all the way down to this orange line here, which is the very famous 200-day simple moving average if you're familiar with charts, and I know you've heard about it. But right here, pulled back to it, found a support, and made a nice move here. I think this was over 100% bounce right here. And then when it pulled back, look right where it pulled back to once again. Now the key here was where the low was put in. This low was here, and this low was slightly less. So why is that important? Well, that all of a sudden made this a short-term uptrend. Higher lows allow you to draw trend lines, and in this case, I don't even need to draw a trend line, because if we just look right here at the 200-day, you can see that it's got a nice upward slope to it. So, this isn't an uptrend, and every time that the 200-day gets tested like it has, that's just confirmation that it is, a relatively strong trend. So that's where pretty much the supports stand. Now, in terms, well, let me take that back. I should note right around here at 12.5 cents, this is going to be a key area of support. It was a pretty stubborn level of resistance, as you can see. Here the price tried to get through it, couldn't. Once again here, but finally when the price got through it, the big move happened. So 12.5 cents is going to be the key level of support. If that doesn't hold, you do have a little cluster of moving averages right there. But at the end of the day, the must-hold support level is going to be down here at the 200-day simple moving average. Now for the fun stuff, where is the resistance levels at? Well, with this one, it's kind of a zone in a way. And the way we can look at that is we have this high up here. I'm not sure why it's doing that. Let's try that again. But we have a couple different highs. We have this high right here. So let me change that to red for our resistance. And then we have another high over here. Once again, not sure why it's doing that. That's odd, but let's try that again, and I'll just, if I can't reach it all the way over, just keep in mind that this is another area of resistance. But we have this high here at 19 and this high here at 17. So instead of kind of argue, well, I think this is resistance, well, I think this is resistance, the best way that I've kind of come up with to just overcome that is we'll just call it a resistance zone. And between 17 and 19, there's going to be some sections of selling, because that's what the past history has shown. But the good news with this is after this zone, if the bulls can get through it, then really there's not any other resistances till probably a minor one over here, and then nothing until over 25 cents. So if the bulls can push through this resistance zone, there is the capability there, and there is the potential, for the bulls to grow some nice running legs and make things exciting. And of course, keep your eye on this volume. If the price keeps heading up, then we want to see volume as big as possible. But with any sort of sideways or pullback days, that is where we want to see volume drop. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some nice money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was QSGIQ. Thanks for listening.